guys, it's Dr. Ray here, and we have Dr. Zane in the building. So Dr. Zane, we went to school together, good friend, and he literally has moved here, and he's about to open up a practice pretty soon, right? In the area, so he's going to be serving this area too, so it's really good to have a familiar face around here so that we can help serve the people together. So this is Dr. Zane, and what's your name? You want to tell the name of your office?
Dr. Zane, Think Chiropractic.
Awesome. Think Chiropractic.
Yep.
With a C.
With a C, yes.
All right. So we're about to adjust Dr. Zane because doctors need to be adjusted too, right? We have spines, we have nervous system. So it's really important that we stay healthy and vibrant, and our nervous system is clear.
Yes.
So let's get this adjustment.
All right.
If you want, you can put your hands right up here.
Call me friend, but keep me closer.
Right.
And I'll cry when the day is over. Quiet and I'm coming home alive. And I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Yeah, I could lie, say I like it like that, like it
Take a
like
deep breath in for me.
nothing is better sometimes.
Nice.
Once we've both said our goodbye, let's just let it go. Let me let you go.
I'll just take a really deep breath in here for me and out. Nice.
I could like say I like it like that, like it like
We
that.
got
I
a
could
short
like
breath.
say I like it like that, like it like that.
Feel a lot of tension in the left side here.
Yeah.
I'm just checking the pelvis motion. Quick challenge there.
Thought I found a way. Thought I found a way, yeah. But you never go away. So I guess I gotta stay now. Oh, I hope someday I'll make it.
Feeling tight Achilles on the left side as well. So I want you to go with this side up for me. Ready? There we go.
I can't find my fear. Isn't it lovely? Heart made of glass, my mind is cold.
Face down. Boom, like money. The last time you had that. Right here, feel a lot of tension here. Take a deep breath in for me. Let's go face up. Short left in this position. Take a deep breath in for me. Hold it. All right, let it all out. Leave it out. All right, you can breathe normal. Once you rotate your head to your left, then go to your right. Perfect. Go back to center. Now I want you to look behind you, full extension. So we got occiput, so relax. Alrighty. Alright, so let's sit up. Perfect, swing your legs that way. We're going to adjust occiput on the right. Posterior.
A little message that I'm hoping in chat, holding my breath as I'm grabbing all these quotes in my chest. I'm in piecing these puzzles, hope you come and collect and get the picture. Right inside, that's bitter. Suppose that I'm in love with you and I miss you. I ain't good at this love thing, you know. Stop hitting the road when I'm hoping you don't. I hope you
Face up, face those legs. Awesome. Take a deep breath in for me, let that integrate into the system. Man, you can get up when you're ready. That was awesome. Thank you so much.
Yes, man. Thank you.